Hello, my friend. I want to talk about the division tools in Maya 2024. Before I talk about this tool, I must say that using these options may affect on your UV, which can be positive or negative compared to your model. So be sure to check. Let's start. Smooth, shelf, and mesh menu. Double click on Smooth. You see some options. There is two methods, exponentially and linear. These are similar together but different topology. Exponentially, division level. Subdivision type is a two algorithm for division, Maya Catmull and Open Subdiv Catmull. What's different between? Now I want to talk about the Maya Catmull. There is three options is important: smooth, UVs, geometry borders, and selection borders. What these are? And the next, it's selection border. Open subdiv Catmull. Vertex boundary, sharp, edge, and corner. The next, UV boundary smooth. The default is Maya Catmull. I change it to preserve edge and corner and select sharp edge and corner. The next, sharp edge and preserve edge. And linear. Division level 1, division level 2. Okay. When I increase division per face to it divide face. This is Smooth Tools. Unsmooth Tools. Unsmooth Tools can be useful for creating low resolution version of meshes. But there is a tip. When you smooth your object, be careful. In Smooth Tools, use exponentially method and then use Unsmooth. Now create low resolution of mesh. This is Unsmooth. When you use a linear method in Smooth Tools, for reducing resolution, you can use the radius. Percentage, how many percent should I reduce? And preserve quotes and sharpness are for reduce control. When you use this, your topology is very, very important. because maybe you have some bug here. Because this is bad topology, it's important your topology clean and quad for better results and better Remesh tools. The Remesh tools helps us to create triangle topology. And here you can control triangle topology.